5 years ago, I was struggling with hair growth. My hair was stuck on the same length, and now I have finally cracked the code. My hair goal for this year 2025 is to reach my waist length, and that has been achieved. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all different ways you can use fresh aloe vera for massive hair growth. As a matter of fact, this video is all about my hair care routine for massive hair growth and length retention. This is not the kind of video for people that have short attention span. So if you want to genuinely grow your hair in a healthy way, please keep on watching and do well to subscribe and turn on post notification bell. Okay, let's get started. And those who are wise shall shine like the brightness of the sky above, and those who turn many to righteous like the stars forever and ever. Daniel chapter 12 verse 3. Class, what is the first thing you do when you get your aloe vera leaf? You wash it. If you said any other thing other than washing it thoroughly and soaking it overnight or at least for 30 minutes, then you are wrong, okay? And that's because aloe vera has poison which is called aloe, and that poison irritates the skin. So you can even do your research properly if you think I'm joking. I can remember how uncomfortable I felt the first time I tried that nonsense. So you can soak it overnight, or you can at least soak it for 30 minutes, and that is fine, okay? After 30 minutes, you rinse properly again, then you begin to scrape out the aloe vera juice. Open it up carefully. Don't allow the knife to cut you. In order to be on the safer side, you can use spoon to scrape out your aloe vera juice, because aloe vera is very slippery, and if you are not careful, the knife could cut you. If you blend your aloe vera without pulse, there's a high possibility of it losing its slimy texture, and it's that slimy texture that we even like more. So when you're done, you have to use a sieve or a strainer to strain out your aloe vera juice so that you avoid these particles being stuck in your hair. I don't think you want this thing to be stuck in your hair. And now we are going to transfer our fresh aloe vera into an applicator bottle. This will make the application process much easier. The first way to use fresh aloe vera for hair growth and for length retention is as a detangler. This will not only help to drastically reduce hair breakage, it will also improve your hair texture.
Oh my God! Jesus!
I completely forgot the temperature you feel on your palm is different from the temperature you feel on your actual skin, and that's how I almost fried my scalp.
God have mercy upon us.
You guys, it's been very long since I combed my hair, so I had to wet it first before dividing it into smaller sections. If I begin to divide this hair into smaller sections as it is dry and matted, I'm just welcoming hair breakage straight. So I have very thick 4C natural hair, and I had to wet it first before dividing it into smaller sections. And over here, as you can see, I'm applying the fresh aloe vera juice all over my hair. Then I'll start using a wide tooth comb to detangle. But before using that wide tooth comb, if you have enough patience, please do finger detangling, okay? You just basically using your fingers to divide your hair, or make it seem like you are combing your hair as you are using the aloe vera to coat your entire hair. As you can see, right, you are combing your hair literally using your fingers to remove the knots. Then when you are done with that, you will now use the wide tooth comb. All right, knowing fully well that not everyone here is an old subscriber, some people are new, okay? I'm going to explain some important key factors when it comes to detangling your hair. Even though you are using a product, a natural humectant such as fresh aloe vera, if you are not careful with the way you handle your hair, you will still experience hair breakage. So you must divide your hair into smaller sections. You must start with the tips of your hair, then you move to the roots of your hair when it comes to combing your hair, and you must use a detangling brush or a wide tooth comb. Do not use tiny combs on your hair. Forget what hairdressers do whenever you go to the salon, that they start using tiny combs to detangle your hair. It's completely wrong, please. Okay, you have to use wide tooth combs when detangling your hair. There's some people that even use only their fingers to detangle their hair. If you browse here on YouTube, you see plenty of them. They are vowed never to use any tool to detangle their hair. So please, if you must use tools, just make sure you are patient, your hair is in smaller sections, and you are using the proper tool. Okay, in that way you will be able to retain a lot of length. Remember, your hair is always growing. The problem is that you're not retaining length. Okay, that's just the problem. And as usual, if you're new here, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have watched this video to this point, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, over here we learn how to grow our hair with different tips and tricks that are harmless. Okay, so please subscribe and turn on post notification bell. All right, I'm done detangling my hair with the fresh aloe vera. The second way of using aloe vera for hair growth and length retention is as a pre-poo. Guys, a lot of people skip pre-pooing their hair, but let me tell you something. The benefits of pre-pooing your hair, especially with a humectant such as aloe vera, is enormous.
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke?
Here are the benefits of using fresh aloe vera on your hair. The first one is it helps to strengthen your hair roots, and that's because aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E, which helps to repair and strengthen your hair follicles, and it also helps to reduce hair breakage, like I stated earlier. It helps to promote healthy hair growth. It helps to reduce dandruff and irritating scalp. The enzymes in aloe vera removes dead skin cells from the scalp, keeping your hair follicles clear and allowing new hair to grow. Massaging aloe vera into your scalp boosts blood flow, ensuring that your hair gets more oxygen and nutrients. Aloe vera deeply nourishes, moisturizes, and reduces dryness and split ends that can make your hair appear thin. So if you're wondering what's the meaning of pre-poo, it basically means preparing your hair before shampooing it or before washing it. And this procedure is very, very important because it literally helps to put in moisture on your hair, so that after you are done washing your hair with the shampoo, your scalp and your hair won't be completely dry. It will still be nourished and moisturized. And when pre-pooing your hair, as you can see what I'm doing, right, you're going to apply the fresh aloe vera all over your scalp, massage very well, and you can also apply it on your hair just in case you did not use enough when detangling your hair. Then you seal in with the oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, or even your hair growth oil. When you're done with the application process, cover your hair with your shower cap or a steaming cap and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, you are going to rinse off with lukewarm water. As for the remaining aloe vera, please keep it in the refrigerator or in the freezer so that it can block or solidify. And when next you need it, just bring it out and let it defroze, and then you can use it on your hair. All right, while rinsing off the aloe vera and oil off your hair and scalp, I still need you to walk in sections. As a matter of fact, whatever you are doing to your hair, please just be walking in sections. Okay, if you have natural hair, I don't think you want to handle your entire hair all at once. If you try it, just know that you are welcoming split ends and hair breakage. In fact, your hair will even start thinning out because it's breaking too much. So please handle your hair section by sections. When we are done, the next phase is washing, and we're also going to be making this aloe vera hair mask, of which I'm going to be showing in the next video coming up tomorrow, okay? Because you guys don't watch videos to the end, so the videos I'll be posting here won't be longer than 10 minutes. Anything more than 10 minutes, that means you all requested for it. So I'll see you guys in my next upload coming up very soon. Bye.